Hi friends, it's Amber and I have another craft fair video for you. This time my sister Bree is the creator and she is going to be a guest crafter here for this video. So these are her cute chubby like candy boxes that she made, and inside are little lip balms. So we're going to show you everything that she did, but oh my goodness, these turned out even more adorable than we even imagined. These just look like they belong in like Lush or something. You know how Lush does like cute little stations in the store, and these just look so cute, and we're going to display them really cute at the craft fair. So here's all the tools that she used. She used her ATG gun for adhesive, her paper trimmer to cut down her paper, some curling ribbon, and then the main two items that she used are the candy box punch board by We Are Memory Keepers, and we found that at Tuesday Morning for $10, but it's also on Amazon if you can't find it, and I'm going to link it below for you in my Amazon storefront. And then these chap ice that are 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that was the little secret ingredient to this project, and let me tell you, this project turned out so cute. So here are the paper pads she used. She just went through all her paper pads and just pulled out pages from each one, you know, to make like a variety of designs. So these are all the paper pads she's taking you through that she used. She just has, you know, a few in her stash. So she tried to use some of the really cute girly ones, like this one. This is one of my favorites. It's the Ooh La La by Craftsmith, and then this one is so pretty. It's my favorite, the Fashionista. Okay, so you're going to start out by cutting a piece of scrapbook paper down to 7 by 4.5. It does not have to be double-sided. So Bree is going to make one here on camera. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put this in on the 7-inch side, and you're going to go ahead and punch and score as directed on the actual punch board. So I'm not going to do a tutorial here on how to use the punch board because it's the most user-friendly thing ever, and if you get the punch board, it'll just tell you and guide you right there on the actual item on where to punch and where to score. But I mean, you can kind of watch Bree here, and it just depends how big your paper is and what size it's going to turn out to be. And as you can see, this is like the little chubby cute version, the tiny little version, where those little cute adorable chap lip balms, the chap ice lip balms, fit perfectly into this. So this takes you through, and she's just gonna keep punching, and then once you turn it around, you punch and score. So she's punching and then moving it over, and then see the little score line there? She just scores it right there. So it's so simple, the most user-friendly tool ever, so we really recommend this. So after she's done with the punching and scoring here, there's actually another little punch on the other side of the little purple notch there that punches a cute little notch in the right spots on this actual candy box. So see how she's doing it here? So she's just going to go ahead and do that on both sides, and it makes it easier. And you need that little notch to tie this together because it looks like the cute little ends of the candy. So she's just going to keep doing that. I kind of sped it up here because it's really self-explanatory. Oh, and by the way, I'm holding the camera, so sorry if it's a little wobbly. So here it is, and now all she's going to do is simply fold on all the score lines. So here she is, just folding on those score lines, and then she's going to go ahead and add her adhesive. You can use any like double-sided tape or your ATG gun for this. It just needs to be kind of like a strong adhesive so that way it stays together. So this is where you add the adhesive in the little corner there, and then on this side, and then of course on the bottom corner. And that's how it is held together. So here she is putting it together. You just fold that down and then fold that on top. And this is how it gets glued together, and you can kind of see the cute little shape forming. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create the cute little candy box. So next she's going to go ahead and put her lip balm in there and tie the ribbon. So you can totally make this your own. Use any color ribbon you want, but we thought the really pretty shimmery curling ribbon look the best because it just made it sparkle and it was so cute. She takes just a couple strands, the length of her mat here, which I think is 16 inches, can't remember, 16 or 17 inches, and she'll tie one end. So you don't have to use any more glue at this point. She just takes one end and ties a double knot, and then she of course curls it. So once you tie the first side, your little candy box can start to collapse a little bit. So all you have to do to get it puffed out is just stick your finger in there and make sure all the sides are pushed out so it's got that cute chubby look. And then you just simply drop in your cute little Chap Ice lip balm and just tie up the other side. So aren't these just the cutest little things you've ever seen? Just imagine at your craft fair having like a basket full of these. They're perfect for stocking stuffers, little shower favors, gifts for coworkers, anything. I think these are just so adorable, and I just love the twist that she's put on them with her girly paper, and I just think they're so cute. So she's showing you here that you can kind of see in there. If people are wondering, you can see the little lip balm in there. But that is just as simple as that, you guys. And here, once again, are all the ones that she's made. She's going to price these cute little things for $2 at the craft fair. And I think that that's a good price for stocking stuffers. So she's going to do that. And she said she might do like the 2 for $3, but we're going to see how it goes with $2. So I'm going to link my Amazon storefront below so you can shop this video. And I'll link possibly everything that I can in my store below. Like mostly all the tools are going to be there for sure, the punch board, and then the paper pads are mostly from Michael's, and so you'll have to go there to find those because they're hot buy paper pads. And then the other stuff, the ribbon and the lip balms, you can find at Dollar Tree. So again, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Bree for being a guest crafter, and thank you to all of you for your amazing support. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. I'm also going to go ahead and link Bree's channel below, although she hasn't been very active on there, and I'm trying to talk her into doing more videos. So I just want to thank you all again so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!